17th of this day, we are launching the Telugu Uppu kitchen by Ohris in Banjara Hills. My name is Saptadeep Roy. I'm the area general manager for Ohris. And like over here, we are serving food from your Telangana, Konaseema, and your Royalseema region. All the spices are blended in-house, and we are here to give you an experience like your nostalgic homemade food. You will get an experience like you're completely nostalgic, like you are having the food like made by your amma and appas and all. So like this way, you're going to enjoy the food from main course to appetizers, desserts, drinks, and everything. We got the thalis also over here, which you all can enjoy. We have seen the demand for this Telugu food. Nostalgic homemade food is our concept over here. So like this was the only idea to start an Telugu kitchen, Uppu Telugu kitchen over here, and like people are loving it. The concept.